This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, spare tire kit, TV, air conditioning, leveling jacks, awning, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, stovetop burner, skylight, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is 7,808 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.